So, hi everyone! It's been a while since nag-get ready with me tayo. So, I'm done with my primer. So, I've been using again. So, let's start this. Kasi, look at my eye bags. It's not giving. It's really giving. Ang dami ko ding redness. Ngayon, let's see if ma-cover niya. As you can see. So, this is the Dissolve Cover Me Serum Concealer. Though, may ganito na siya. And, may option siyang spatula. So, ang ganda niya actually, and it's really easy to blend siya. Wait lang. So, you have option to set using the sponge or yung brush. But, for me, mas easy to blend yung sponge. Dab lang. Tapos, after yung ginamit ko kanina, ganiha. So, as you can see, it's easy. It's really easy to blend and very blendly. So, huwag matakot sa color since may ilalagay pa naman tayo. Diba naktakpan yung darkness. Sana matakpan din yung darkness. Ay. So, by the way, how are you guys? It's been a while since, diba, ang easy niya. Parang pinoundation ko na din siya. It's, short of foundation. Lagay na lang natin mamaya. Yung foundation. Diba? Ang easy. And it's really sorry for the background. Really easy to blend. Especially if naka skin prep ka na. Then, madali na lang. Yeah, you can see. Diba? Tapos, ilagay natin yung BLK. Since paubos na din siya, wala na. Actually, wala na. Favorite ko talaga siya. So, konti na lang ilagay natin yung hindi na-cover ni. Tapos, blend. Same sponge na ginamit ko sa tapos isat mo na lang. So, isat this, especially dito sa nose kasi magka-crack siya minsan. Diba yan yung number one problem natin sa sa pag-a-apply ng makeup. Magka-crack dito. So, dapat nakaset talaga siya ng bongga. And prep your skin also. Yun. Diba? Ang ganda niya. So, yun lang. Bye! Tapusin ko muna siya. Then, I'll be back. Okay? So, ayun guys. Look at my, diba? Sobrang puti niya kanina. And, not so brown puti. But, it, hindi siya much on the skin, on my skin. But, look at that. Diba? It's really, dahil dyan, dito. For the Easy & Co. Cream cheek bronze. I really, gusto. I really gusto. Gusto ko talaga siya. And it's really worth it, the price, guys. Diba? Super ng ano siya. And pag-apply niya sa skin mo, nag-aano siya, parang nagpa-powder siya. Yun lang. So, here's my final look. So, gandang-ganda ng session. Bye guys! Ingat!